You need these dairy options on your shopping list. My name is Angel, and I've been a dietitian for over 10 years. So, what to add on your shopping list for dairy? There's definitely cow based dairy. And if you go that route, I'd really like you to explore different milk fat percentages. So, it can go from skim, 1%, 2%, and 3.25% are also called homogenized. Other dairy options to put onto your shopping list include plant based options. So if you've never tried, let's say, plain soy milk or almond milk, hemp milk, rice milk, there's milk products beyond my wildest imagination, way more than over 10 years ago when I started being a dietitian. I think the reason why I want you to try these things is because unless we try, we don't know if we like them or not. Many people are talking these days about going more plant based for a more sustainable approach or for climate change or for their personal beliefs. And we want to be respectful of people. So dairy is not just restricted to just cow-based dairy. If you are going to go with a plant-based approach, I want you to choose options that are fortified with calcium and vitamin D to the same level as cow's milk so that you get those key nutrients. But really, why restrict yourself to one option when there's so many good choices out there? I hope this is helpful to you the next time you go shopping. Please like, share, or follow for more.